So here we go. We have the AirTag and of course the leather key ring. So we're going to unbox the leather key ring first. All right, because they just added this little tab right here, so you can pull open a little bit easier. And then that will open up down here. There we go. So we can pull this out, little tab to lift this out. And there we go. This is the leather strap for the AirTags. So you can put this on a key ring. You can put this on, you know, more than a key ring. I mean, you could definitely do, oh, it snaps off. So we'll do the snap. And we'll do that little plastic thing right there. And so if you got rentals, keys or whatever, you could put AirTags onto these things. You could put it on your luggage. I would not put it on the outer part of the luggage because you have a greater risk of losing the AirTag. What I would do is I would put it inside the luggage, and then I'd attach it on, you know, to the side. So every time you open up the luggage, you know exactly where that AirTag would be. And open up the AirTag, and once again, there's a little thing right down here. Now the cool thing about these AirTags, they work, I don't know if they'll work with Android devices, but they will work with your iPhone in ways that some of the other trackers can't. And that is, that's really nice. And this will do, it has a way to actually really pinpoint where the device is. So there's our AirTag. Let's open it up. Got some print I cannot read from here. Update to the latest iOS or iPad OS. Okay. Turn on Bluetooth and then pull the tab. So let's go ahead and open this up. There it is right there. It looks like a coin. I'd say a quarter, size of a quarter, maybe a little bit more. Zoom up a little bit so I can see that. It looks like we have, yeah, we basically will pull this tab right here and that will start the AirTag. So I can grab my phone. So now I'll take off this plastic right here. And I'm thinking this will be exactly like with the headphones where it will all of a sudden see it. And I might be wrong, I don't know. Gotta pull this. I'm hearing some bleeping or something. Look at that. It found it. And we'll say connect right here. And it says new AirTag. What do we want to call it? Bike, camera, handbag, headphone, jacket. We'll say keys for now. Continue. And then it says register your AirTag with your, we'll hit continue. There we go. And it found it. And it found my location. And it says view in Find My app. And that's the app that calls up. So we'll hit continue. And yeah, it sees that. And we can say find nearby. And it says here. So if I move it away, as you can see, I'm moving it away. And let's do this. I'm gonna let's see how far it'll travel. So I will go over here. Okay. But it's still registering. Let's keep going. As far it goes. Now when it gets back into a range, it'll switch over. But as you can see, now it's saying that it's nearby. And then it's here. Look at that. That is some crazy sensors. So now I'm going to put it onto my keychain here, or anywhere I need to track something, and it can tell me where that is. There is a battery in here, so I'm guessing that battery will have to be replaced at some time. But I've been hearing some reports because some of the other trackers, they're basically one and done, which means you can't replace the battery. But when it's time you replace the battery or however that works, and be able to continue on from here. So it's crazy. Yeah, that's just telling me where that is. I'm pretty amazed in how that technology works.